welcome back again to Fergie's Kitchen. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Welcome to Fergie's Kitchen. All right, so today we're gonna make a very healthy fried rice. So here's my ingredients for today. We're making some cauliflower fried rice. So this is my cauliflower ash, my sweet green peas, onion, lime, red onion, jalapeno pepper, carrot, red bell pepper, ginger, cilantro, sesame seed, almond, chipped almond, salt, honey, coconut oil, and amino coconut acid. So there you are. That's my ingredients for today. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. Guys, put your cauliflower in a food processor and chopped or grind until it's coarsely ground. Guys, you're gonna put your cauliflower in a nut bag. Just so you know, this should have been cauliflower only. But I have my cauliflower ash at home, so I'm using it. Put your cauliflower in your nut bag. You're gonna squeeze any excess water out of it. Guys, I'm throwing 2 stalks of celery in it. With that, I'm gonna add some onion. I'm gonna saute these until they're almost cooked, maybe 3 to 5 minutes before adding my rest of vegetables. So you can add a little bit of water to it. You should have it on medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of water because you want your onion to be translucent and cooked on medium heat. Hey guys, now that my onions are cooked, remember, you should keep adding like a tablespoon of water so your onion doesn't stick to the bottom when you're cooking your onion, okay? Now I'm gonna add my bell peppers. And as you know, I decided to put some celery to it. This is my garlic. This is 2 stalks of celery. 2 stalks of celery. 1 small bell pepper, half of an onion, 3 cloves of garlic, a large carrot, medium to large carrot. The jalapeno peppers are optional, and this is my ginger. I'm adding about a tablespoon of water. And I'm going to let this cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Covered. So guys, it's been like 30 seconds. I'm going to add my peas at the same time. So 5 to 7 minutes, and then I add the rest. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add my cauliflower rice. 1/4 of a teaspoon of my coconut aminos, 2 teaspoons of sesame seed, 1 teaspoon of salt. It's good if you have sea salt. Actually, you can use your sea salt. 1/2 teaspoon of honey. You're gonna have this cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. So my FK gang, here is your cauliflower fried rice. There is your almond that is on it, and the lime. You can squeeze the lime on it when you're ready to eat it. And it's just healthy and delicious, plant-based and vegan. I hope you guys enjoy. And even if you're not vegan, you can still have it because it's just delicious. I'm gonna have it. Want some? Anyway, as you know, I have a scripture of the day, and today's scripture will be coming from Psalms 69, verse 19. Blessed be the Lord, for he has chosen us as his heritage, even the God of our salvation. Think about that scripture, guys. That scripture is telling you that every day God thinks of you and of me. All right? And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, sometimes the hardest thing and the right thing are the same. I think so. Sometimes the hardest thing and the right thing are the same. Guys, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel today. I love you guys, and keep on watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.